Welcome to our facility. Today, I'm going to take you through every single step of how we turn recovered ocean plastic waste. Plastic that was pulled from the ocean and coastlines
PET clear, just this one in the HDPE. Okay, approved for filament production.
PET is highly hygroscopic, requiring extremely low moisture content. The Desiccant dryer ensures a dew point below -40 degrees Celsius.
inserts, Even after our 4-hour desiccant drying cycle, there can still be volatiles in ocean-recovered material that have
Print test. All features pass. Filament approved for release.
This specialized moisture barrier system is critical. We use a 3-layer laminate bag, along with a desiccant and oxygen.
Our ocean plastic recovery program works with 47 coastal community collection networks across Southeast Asia.
This program isn't just about the plastic, it's about the people. Our collection communities are in areas where plastic pollution is both.
Purge complete. Blue residual cleared.
साहत के आबडिन पतलतन चिंतकी है.
A colorant master batch is a concentrated blend of pigment at 30% pigment loading in a carrier resin that's compatible with our The DSC tells us where the polymer transitions from solid to melt, and that directly informs the temperature window we recommend for 3D printing.
The weighted piston extrudes the molten PETG, cut at 30-second intervals. With an average weight of 0.312.
As you can see, the wastewater treatment, cooling water recycling, and VOC extraction systems are all fully operational and compliant with environmental limits.
Videos. The DAF unit is particularly important for ocean plastic wash water. Microplastic fines attached to the microbubbles
Counters. PLA also needs careful drying, but at a lower temperature, 195 degrees Celsius versus 250.
Our recycled PLA comes entirely from post-industrial sources, manufacturer offcuts, and production waste from PLA.
Filament measurement seems simple, but there are three things that make a bad measurement. Too much closing force on the micrometer anvil, which crushes the filament.
Try adjusting the angle slightly. Let me guide your hand. Ah, I see. Got it.
over 3 years without a recordable injury. That's not luck. That's our team choosing to work safely every single day, reporting near misses.
XRF PVC screen, pass. The chlorine is less than 50 ppm. Confirmed PET. Approved for processing.
The tolerance we hold on this filament, plus or minus 0.02 millimeters, sounds straightforward until you're trying to achieve it with ocean-recovered plastic.
People think ocean plastic is ocean plastic, it's all the same. It's not. We get material from Indonesia, the Philippines, coastal Vietnam, and each has a different contamination profile.
When I wind a spool, I'm thinking about that person. The winding tension, the traverse spacing, these have to be right. 12 years, I still check every spool. This one's good.
From that 187 tons, we've produced 156 tons of precision 3D printer filament.
The 56% carbon footprint reduction comes from two main sources. First, the ocean plastic input material requires
In 2024, 847 makers participated, returning 2.3 tons of used.
Congratulations on achieving the Ocean Plastic Chain of Custody certification. We are honored to present this to you today.
Thank you. We are very proud of this achievement.
Right, Jim. The carbon offset program is specifically in the same coastal regions where our ocean plastic collectors work.
The die orifice is 3.5 millimeters, larger than the 2.0 orifice on the 1.75 milliline. Our 2.85 millimeter.
My son made this with the blue filament.
Wow, that is incredible. He print this himself?
From the ocean, back to the ocean, protecting vital equipment.
Every handful of this material was in the ocean, or on a beach, or in a coastal mangrove, until someone decided it was worth something.
Seeing that number tick past 300,000 kilos really brings it home. This facility is proving that a circular economy for ocean plastic.
Today you watched plastic, ocean plastic, the kind that washes up on beaches and tangles in fishing nets and chokes marine life.
The sustainability numbers: 56% lower carbon footprint than conventional virgin PETG filament, 82% less water consumption.
This spool represents all your hard work, turning ocean plastic into something valuable. We couldn't have achieved this certification without you.
312,001 kilograms. And while we're standing here, that number is going up. 1,240 people.
Wood-fill filament is one of our most popular specialty products today. Makers love the aesthetic. The finished print looks, feels, and even smells like wood, but the
Notice the hardened steel nozzle insert in the die that's tungsten carbide coated. Standard brass would be worn through in a few hours.
Carbon fiber fill is the most demanding specialty product we make. Chopped carbon fiber is extremely abrasive, more so than wood fiber, more so than mica.
This bracket was printed in ocean plastic PETG with 15% recycled carbon fiber. The carbon fiber came from aerospace manufacturing scrap.
.2% quality approval from ocean plastic. From material cut off beaches and pulled out of mangroves.
If you're watching this and you have a 3D printer, this video was made for you, not just to show you how filament is manufactured.
Second, the tolerance is real. We watched it being held on the production line with laser measurement. Third, participate in the take-back program. 340.
Everything we saw today, the NIR sorting, the multi-stage ocean washing, the twin screw compounding, the precision desiccant drying,
Still here? Good. I want to say one thing without the documentary framing. Today was genuinely one of the most impressive facilities I've visited making this series.